Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. This is what I made on the Sunday Live with Themcraftygirls. And if you're not following us on Instagram, please go there. It's at them.crafty.girls and subscribe there so that you will know when we go live for Them Crafty Girls Sunday Live. So, okay, so this is what I made. And it's a mini embellishment book. It's actually a mini Halloween mini album from Kscrafts. And this is what it comes with. You have the little spider web. You have the mini album itself. It's in the shape of the spider web. And then it also comes with spiders. And you can see, you can make a shaker out of one of them. So this one right here, you could do that. And then you have a large and a small spider. And then this is the base of the mini album. And then this is a layering piece to add, you know, layers to your mini album. And then this goes on top of your layering piece. And you can see here, so the black page or the background back here is the base. I used black for the base. And then the pink right here is the layering piece. You can see that. And then you have the spider web, which I covered up. I mean, I layered it on there, but there you go. You can see it. It's right here, the white glitter cardstock. Okay, and then also I'm using Simple Stories Happy Haunting paper collection. And yeah, I got it at Tuesday morning when there was a Tuesday morning. And then I also used some of the new release dies from Kscrafts. And let me just pull out what I did use. So this is the scratch marks and lightning bolts. And I only used the smallest scratch mark because that's all that could fit on the page. And I used it right here. So let me show you. And so I took the scratch die and it's stitched. And it's almost like, you know, like rips in the pages. So anyway, I layered it up to make pockets. So I added it to the page 1, 2, and 3. So I got 3 little pockets out of this base page. And let me see, because the minute I open it up, you'll see. So anyway, this is the ephemera from the Happy Haunting collection, Simple Stories. And then I also added on a chunky rosette on here in the front from the Rosette Guru. And this little spider and this plastic spider web is also from the Rosette Guru. It was an addition to the trim. And then this is some ephemera and sticker. This sticker is actually from Dollar Tree. And then this is a chipboard piece from the collection. So here on the front page, there's several layers, and you'll see once we get into it, I have sandwiched some pom-pom trim in between the first 2 pages. So I created the base of the cover here, and then I glued the pom-pom behind it, and then I added the inner layer. So this has 2 layers. You see the black in the background is another layer, and then the pink on top. And then here is where I used that die, like this, the claw marks, and created my little pockets. And then this is one of Kscraft's new release. And I put this together before I realized what it was supposed to look like. So I kind of layered this piece wrong, but it still looks cute. Still cute. And then the shadow piece, you get a plain shadow for the heart. And you also get a drip shadow. And you can see right there. And I did have to piece together the O and the B here. And then this one I forgot. And yeah, I lost the little pieces for the B. but it still came out okay. You could still make out what it says. Now this piece here I layered with foam. I got some foam in between right there. And I didn't layer in the little piece for the A, but you can see the little drip marks there. It's really cute. So I layered this one wrong as per usual. I didn't know how to layer it, but here this is the correct way. And you can see it's off to the left side, or you could do it off to the right, depends on you. But I think it lines up actually better to the left. So you can see the shape of the heart, and then you get the drips on this side. And I did add some foam tape. And it was perfect for this little pocket insert. On this page is also a die set from the recent release, which is the July release. And it has the words and the shadows included. I think there's 6 words. I might be wrong. 7 maybe, I don't know. So here we have, excuse me, we have Halloween, we have Wicked, we have Spells, and 31st. That's only a few of the words, and I'll show you the rest. It's in the book. I chose not to layer any more onto the base page, and this base page is cut out with some Dollar Tree pink cardstock. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I can't find it right now, but the black and the pink are both from Dollar Tree, and it's like a textured finish. You can see here. Wait, trying to get it to show. There you go. So it's textured. That's what the paper comes like, and it's only single-sided, but the back side is also like it's like a flat pink, which is what I like. The color is on both sides. So yeah, they're the words. And then I made some toppers or ephemera with some of the trim from the Rosette Guru. And this is an embellishment acrylic piece that I got from Rosette Guru also. Here's one of the words from Kscraft. And then I took some glitter cardstock here and just ruffled the paper, layering it on top of this gorgeous ombre spiderweb trim. And she's also got some spiderweb tulle behind that trim. So it's very cute, and it does fit our Simple Stories theme. Happy hunting. Let me just leave that there. Just so you can see the colors and why I used what I used. So there is one of the toppers. Here is another topper. I made 2. This little bottle is from a swap that I was in a few years back. It came just like this with the twine around the neck of the bottle, and it had the little hand tied to it. And it also came with the sentiment boo. And then these little ghosts. This one here is from Dollar Tree. It's a Dollar Tree sticker pack. And it looks like this. This is one of their older releases. And there's that ghost that I just used. And the pumpkin that's on the cover page. And so I just placed that sticker. It was already layered. You can see here. But I added some orange foam to tie in the color scheme. And layered it on top of that. I also used some of the paper back here, just the same way I did this one. I just ruffled it up, little black and white check pattern paper. The star is from the sticker from Dollar Tree. This little ghost is an acrylic piece, and I layered that on top of the foam, orange foam again, just to tie everything together. And then I layered everything on top of another trim. It's a pink spiderweb trim, also from Rosette Guru. And yeah, there's the word Scream from the Kscraft release, the word release. So I love the way they came out. Look great together. So this little ephemera piece that I created is the add-on for the ice cream parlor. It's the Halloween add-on from Kscraft. It was part of the release for July. And let me see. Here it is. And you have the door, the haunted door is what I used. Whoops. right there. Beautiful, and it has stitching details on there. I'll show it to you as soon as I get these all showed to you. And here is the little trick-or-treater ghost, and you get the layering piece with the stitch detail and the little shadow piece in the background. And that is what I used for this embellishment. I made 2 of them. So what I did, let me just get that back together. I used one of the stickers from the ephemera collection, or the ephemera pack. And then I also used some bat embellishment pieces. Let's see. Okay. Sorry guys, I had it here. There it is. It's kind of hard to see with all the dies out. So here you get 2 sizes of 12 bats, all in different poses. You get a medium and a small. So I use the small. I cut those out of black cardstock. Also from, I think it also from Dollar Tree. I believe it is. Okay. Sorry, guys. So this first door is, I used an acrylic spider web from the Rosette Guru. And then this 31st is part of the word die set for July release. And then I just showed you the bat dies. So there's the little trick-or-treater. It comes with the little pail. So I used some cardstock. It has 2 pieces. So I cut it out of cardstock in the black glitter. It's kind of hard to see. And then I used the white glitter, also from Dollar Tree. A lot of my glitter, I'll tell you which is from Dollar Tree. So this is from Dollar Tree. The pink is from Michael's 8.5 by 11 glitter paper pad. And then you have the shadowing pieces, and I just cut some pink little booties for it. And then on the second door, I cut a layer out. So, okay guys, sorry I had a call. Anyway, so this is the word die set from the Halloween release from July from Kscraft. And then I said that that was the acrylic embellishment pieces from Ebony, who is the Rosette Guru. The way I attached everything, I just used some foam tape in the back. It's the Dollar Tree, you know, the one we get on the roll. And I already pulled it off before, and you can take it off. You won't ruin it. You'll just have to take the sticky part off the paper. So yeah, so anyway, I layered the door onto some pink cardstock, the Michael's cardstock, and then I cut around it, just a sliver, mainly to get that background, but I didn't want to have like a, you know, awkward layering piece, so I just went around the whole door. And then I did the same thing here, except I glued the ghost down first, and then I cut around the outline of the ghost and the door, so you get the extra glittery sparkles where you don't get it here, you get it on this one. And then I didn't add any boots to this one. I just left it with all the black. And then this pumpkin is from the door. It came with the, where is it? Oh, wait, is it from the door? Let me see. Let me see. The nice thing about it is these collections, here it is. So it's from these, this set. This is the add-on set for the truck. And I don't know if I have the truck here. I haven't put the truck together. It's the 3D truck, which is probably going to be my next one. I don't know yet, but that's the add-on for that truck. So I cut out just the pumpkin, added it there, and then I added one of the bats onto the pumpkin and onto the 31st. And I think I told you that is from the collection. So yeah, the next page, I just attached all the extra words that I did not use onto this page. Again, using just that Dollar Tree double-sided foam, sticky foam. This is the spider that comes with the mini album, and I cut them out with the pink foam, but the pink glitter, and added it to some foam. I did make one of the shakers. Well, I made the shaker because it only makes one shaker. And it looks like this. It's not my favorite because it's so finicky and very fine. You know, it's kind of hard to work with. But I did it, and I used some of the sequins out of one of my mixes that came from the Rosette Guru. And I just picked out the littlest of the pieces. I didn't want the larger pieces, you know. Just, you can pick and choose what you want to put in your shakers. So I have them looking like they're crawling out of the page. I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I don't think I'm going to be decorating these pages. Whoever receives this will be able to decorate it once they use all the goodies. If they use all the goodies, because I know us crafty gals, we just like to appreciate our friends' handiwork. So we tend to not use what they create. But I did a little bit. So yeah. And then on the back, you can see I added another color of pom-pom trim. I did the same thing, just sandwich it between the base of the page and then the inside layering pieces. So it's a different trim, different colors, trying to combine all the colors that are from the collection. And once you get all the goodies out, you can see both of the pom-pom trim. So very cool. And on the back side, this is a piece of ephemera that was included with one of the trims from Ebony. And then I just added my little label there. You can see it. Just like that. Happy Halloween, crafted by Eileen Payne. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of long, but it took me a while to get situated here in my craft room to get comfortable so that I could finish up this little mini embellishment book. So yeah, I hope you like this. Follow us on Themcraftygirls on Instagram. And also, if you're new here, welcome. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. It's free. It's free. It doesn't cost a thing. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. This helps my little channel to grow here on YouTube. And also, yeah, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video like this, or when I go live with, you know, whoever on my channel. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye.